50th birth anniversary of Malviyaji, we received a number of very constructive suggestions on the commemorative events to be organized. We have established a national implementation committee headed by renowned scholar statesman Dr. Karan Singh Ji to oversee the implementation of the various events. A wide range of projects are being undertaken as part of the commemoration to make Malviyaji's ideals and achievements more accessible to a wider audience. Our aim is to motivate the youth of our country to learn and be inspired by his thoughts, by his teachings, and by his achievements. I am particularly glad to learn that special efforts are being made to translate the biography and literary works of Malviyaji in different Indian languages. A series of countrywide seminars, lectures, and exhibitions will be organized for spreading his message to the people at large. A Center for Malviya Studies will be set up at the Banaras Hindu University, where a digital collection of Malviyaji's writings will be compiled for the first time. We also plan to establish chairs, scholarships, and education-related awards in his memory. Ladies and gentlemen, I do hope commemorative events will capture the multifaceted genius of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya and his versatile contributions to the making of history of modern India. He worked tirelessly to build the Indian National Congress, of which he was elected president 4 times. Malviyaji served for 14 years in the Imperial Legislative Council and later in the Central Legislative Assembly. He was a fiery orator and showed his oratorial skills and intellectual prowess in a 4.5 hour long speech in the Imperial Council against the Rowlatt Act. He was chairman of the Hindustan Times from 1924 to 1946, during which period a Hindi edition of the newspaper was also launched. Pandit Malviyaji campaigned to secure entry for Dalits to the Kala Ram temple on the day of the Rath Yatra. He was a member of the Royal Industrial Commission of 1918, where he argued forcefully for granting protection to Indian industry against indiscriminate imports from abroad. Ladies and gentlemen, for lesser mortals, these are the achievements of many lifetimes. I conclude by quoting what Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said about Pandit Madan Mohan Malviyaji, and I quote Pandit Ji, "It is fit and proper that we should pay homage to this great man who is the foundation stone of the huge building of independence," unquote. What a glowing tribute to the great patriot, visionary, and nation builder we honor today. Jai Hind.